Hello and welcome to another episode of the Revit Electrical Experience. I've got another add-in for you today. Uh, it's a good one if you are coming in late project and there might be like duplicate panel names that you're not aware of. Someone may have forgotten to change the panel schedule name down here. What it's going to do is it's going to compare the floor plan name to the panel schedule name here in the project browser. So, for instance, if I changed, um, say you were tasked at one point to change the panel names, because I don't know, you got like a riser diagram markup or whatever it may be. So let's say let's change a couple of these panel names. Let's just change them to LP44B, PP45, and we'll change this last one to let's just call it a main distribution panel now, 45. So as you see, we changed those three panels here on the floor plan, and what some people don't realize is that it doesn't change the name here in your panel schedule project browser. So what this tool is going to do is it's going to go ahead and automatically do that for us, this panel schedule name check. Put a version on it. I have multiple versions. One for 2023, and then the other one's compatible from all the way from 2018 to 2022. So I'm going to go ahead and run the tool, and it popped up here on my other screen, but here's what it'll output to the user. So it gives you the previous name of what it was, and then it tells you what the new name changed to for every single instance that may have happened. And it'll do that as well here in the project browser, as you can see. So MP2B was changed to PP45, which is down here at the bottom. And the rest follow suit. So pretty nifty, pretty handy. It can also do it for duplicate named panels. So let's, for the heck of it, call this MDP45. We'll rerun that tool. And so it won't rename the panel name. What it'll do is it'll flag it for you and tell you that you have duplicate panel names. As you can see here, I have it outputting saying, warning, cannot change duplicate panel name, and it'll list the panel name here at the end. So really handy, especially if you have like 100 plus panels, 50 plus panels. You know, these projects get pretty big and you get lost in the sauce, if you will, with so many panels. So that's a nice tool to have. And that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment or follow my Patreon if you're interested in learning more about the tools that I have offered. Thank you.